Ultimately, the purpose of Windows 95 is to let you run programs, which in turn let you do your work. Whether you're working with a word processing program, spreadsheet, or a graphics presentation program, you need to know how to run and manage the programs you're using. Elizabeth Morrison knows all about running and managing programs. It's something she does every day as an experienced computer user and in her job as a research professor at a major university.
At the university, we have numerous research programs running at any given time, allocating funding, adjusting schedules, determining which program is to get priority. These are decisions that have to be made every day, so program management becomes an ongoing process. Fortunately, managing my computer programs is considerably easier. Even if you have several different programs running simultaneously, Windows 95 makes it simple to run and manage them, so you can concentrate on doing your work. To learn more about programs, choose one of the topics on the right. Another way to run a program is by clicking the Start button and choosing Run. In the Run window, type in the program's exact path and name. Otherwise, choose Browse. Make sure that you are looking in the right drive and folder. Once you've located the program you want, double-click it. Alternatively, you can click the program once to select it and choose Open. Note that the selected program has been entered after Open in the Run window. Choose OK to accept and run the selection. You can also run a program by simply double-clicking its shortcut icon. A shortcut is a pointer to a program, represented by an icon with a small jump arrow. To find out more about shortcuts, click the Documents and Files studio light. It's also possible to have certain programs start automatically each time you start Windows 95. To do this, click the Start button, choose Settings, then Taskbar. Click the Start Menu Programs tab, choose Add, then click Browse to locate the program you want. If the program is inside a folder, double-click to open it. Click once to select the program, then choose Open. This will enter the program's name at Command Line in the Create Shortcut window. Choose Next. Now, locate and click the Startup folder. Click Next again. Type the name that you want displayed as the program's name in the Startup menu. If prompted, choose an icon for the program. Finally, click Finish, then OK. Once you've added a program to the Start menu, it will appear as a button on the taskbar each time you start Windows 95. Windows 95 also lets you run MS-DOS-based programs, including games. First, click the Start button, then choose Programs and MS-DOS Prompt. This activates the DOS command line inside a window. If the DOS command line appears inside a full screen instead of a window, you can press Alt-Enter to switch to window mode. Pressing these keys toggles you between the two views. To view the available launch options, type Start and press Enter at the command line. When you're done, type Exit and press Enter. With Windows 95, You can run several programs concurrently. This is called multitasking. Multitasking enables you to work more efficiently because you can proceed to a new task without having to wait for a previous one to end. For example, you could be printing a large document and saving it to disk and downloading files from the internet. All this while listening to your favorite CD playing in your PC's CD-ROM drive. There's no strict sequence to follow. You can switch to any active task at any time. The taskbar helps you switch from task to task as easy as changing the channels on a television set. Each open window is represented by a separate task button, so you can always see which documents and programs are active. To switch to another task, simply click the appropriate button. You can also use the Alt and Tab keys to switch between tasks. Pressing Alt-Tab displays a window containing a list of icons for all active tasks. If you hold down the Alt key each time you press Tab, you will step through this list one icon or task at a time. At the desired task, release both keys to switch to it. Windows 95 makes adding and removing programs easy with its Add, Remove Programs feature. Click the Start button, choose Settings, and then Control Panel. Double-click the Add, Remove Programs icon, or click once to select it and choose Open from the File menu. The Install, Uninstall tab is displayed. To install a program from a floppy disk or CD-ROM drive, choose the Install button. You'll be guided through the whole step-by-step process. If you want to uninstall a program, locate the desired program and click to select it. Then choose the Remove button. When you've made all your changes, choose OK. Accessories are utility programs that come free with Windows 95. You can use them to do work and enhance your PC's capabilities. You can use fax to send and receive faxes using your PC, multimedia functions like a CD player, system tools to maintain your PC, calculator, which has both regular and scientific functions, character map, to let you select and copy special symbols from any font family on your system to the clipboard for later insertion into documents, and Paint, which you can use to create or edit graphics. For more information on Windows 95 accessories, click the Accessories Studio Light. As you become more experienced working with Windows 95, you will no doubt discover numerous tips and shortcuts which will enable you to work even more efficiently. Since I'm almost always running more than one program at a time, I need these program icons to be very easily accessible. I've found a very fast way to add a program or document icon to the Start menu. All you have to do is drag its icon to the Start button. To remove it, you will have to customize the Start menu's taskbar settings and remove it from the Start menu Programs tab. This only removes a shortcut to the original item and does not remove the program or document itself.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Before we wrap this segment, I have a tip of my own I'd like to share on shortcuts. Shortcuts can be a real handy way to run programs, but don't get confused and right-click a program's shortcut icon to access the program's properties this way. What you'll see are properties belonging to the shortcut instead of the program. If you want to access the program's properties, click the Shortcut tab and select Find Target. This will open up the folder containing the original program.